everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into the rich history of one of the Queensland iconic landmarks, the Point Cartwright Lighthouse at Buddina near to the Sunshine Coast. Starting point, the nearest car park, which is the Balsa park, which takes around 10 to 15 minutes walk to reach the lighthouse. Unfortunately, it was a Easter time. We could not get any parking and had to park a bit further down near to the beach. Luckily, we got one spot available and we were so blessed and felt so happy as we were searching for almost 10 minutes to get one spot. From there, we made our way down to the beach, but the area wasn't in the best shape. The sand was steep and rebuilt up unusually high. It looked like the recent cyclone-sculpted, which hit Brisbane City a month ago, had really taken a toll. It will likely take some time for a beach to naturally rebuild and recover. The tides were pretty high, so I decided to keep my kids out of the water, as we never know when the current might suddenly get stronger. There were just few people on the beach, which confirmed my gut feeling that something is not nice, and even there were very few who were there slowly started leaving as the tides continued to rise. The beach looked so nice enough to get your feet wet, but it was definitely not suitable for swimming or building any sandcastles. The waves were very rough and frothy. Those milky, churning tides were clear sign the sea wasn't calm. People were relaxing on the sandbank, soaking up the sun and enjoying the cool breeze, completely immersed in the soothing sound of the waves. The son was really insisting me, so I eventually gave him permission to get his feet wet, though I wasn't comfortable with the decision what I've made. Suddenly, a wave rushed all over up the steep sandbank, completely catching off the guard. I was shaken up and decided to leave the beach right away and head towards the lighthouse instead. Here in Australia, many visitors, especially beginners or people who are not confident in swimming, can easily find themselves in danger. Sadly, it's not uncommon for people to lose their lives because they underestimate the strength of ocean. Husband to get the kids out of the beach and decided to move ahead to the lighthouse. The path is paved and gently sloping, so it's very walkable, even with the kids who can use their scooters or ride a tricycle or a bike, or even a coffee in hand, or if you're pushing a stroller. Along the way, you will pass a beautiful coastal views, beautiful trees, and sometimes you can even spot dolphins or whales offshore, but that you can see only when there is a migration season. As I stood at the end of the scenic lookout, I could hear the gentle humming of the birds and the rhythm sound of the waves crashing below. It was incredible, peaceful, and a perfect moment to simply listen and take in the stunning beauty of the nature. Along the way, there are access points to the beach roughly every 500 meters. My husband took one of those paths to head down and capture some of the amazing videos of the waves for photography. It is a very popular destination for both locals and visitors. The surrounding parklands offer sweeping 180-degree ocean views, making it an excellent spot for whale watching. Point Cartwright isn't just about the lighthouse, it's a whole vibe. This place is laced with peaceful walking trails and quiet picnic spots, perfect for a morning escape. And if you are into photography, sunrise is a pure magic. The light, the ocean, and the stillness, it's all just, it's different. From up there, the view was absolutely breathtaking. I could see the endless stretch of the blue meeting the sky with the waves crashing gently below and the sunlight sparkling on the water like a tiny stars. Behind me, the trees waved with the breeze and the soft sound of the birds filled in the air. It was one of those rare, peaceful moments where everything just paused. I stood there, took a deep breath, and for first time in a long time, I felt still. All my worries, all the noises, it just faded. Nature has quite way of healing you without even trying. It's the best way to heal yourself. Give a try. This stretch has two main paths. One leads down towards the beach and the other takes you up straight to the lighthouse and the water reservoir. We decided to head straight for first to check out the lighthouse and then those amazing coastal views from the top. As the story begins, this lighthouse was built in the year 1979 with this super unique pentagon shape, and it's made of a reinforced concrete. But here is the kicker that it's fully automated since day one. It's never needed any keeper, not even once. There are no ghost stories, no lonely tower guard, just tech doing its thing. Once you reach the top near the lighthouse, the view is just beautiful. On one side, you can get this panoramic view of the Pacific Ocean and endless blue as far as eye you can see. You can spot the Mooloolaba beach stretching in its distance, and even lucky if you can see some whales or dolphins during the migration season. Turn around, you will see a river winding its way through the landscape, along with the bustling marina dotted with the boats. We have spent some time in La Balsa Park, which is right nearby. It's such a peaceful area, perfect for families, morning walks, or just relaxing by the waters. There are open spaces and picnic tables, along with some barbecue areas, and even a little playground for kids. It's very popular for morning jogs and yoga sessions. You will often find people just sitting there with a coffee and watching these boats cruises by on the Mooloolaba River. Heading to Mooloolaba Wharf, and it's a whole different scene here. This place is very lively and full of energy, with trendy caves, waterfront restaurants, boutiques, shops, and even an aquarium. Check out the Sea Life Sunshine Coast. It's full of amazing sea creatures, from the sharks to the seahorses. The kids will love the ocean tunnel, where you can walk through the sea fish swimming right above you. If you like being on water, you can hop on a scenic cruise along the river, or even go for a whale watching. If you are here for the correct time of the year, you might get lucky to see some whales or dolphins too. Or if you are for some action, the Wharf offers plenty of water activities like snorkeling, scuba diving, and even fishing. It's a great way to get on the water and experience the marine life up to the close. Walking around the wharf, we spotted two beautiful girls kayaking on the water. It was such a peaceful scene, but just we were enjoying the view, and a speedboat zoomed past, creating a huge splash. It was such a contrast, calming kayaking on one side and then the rush of the boat on the other. Please do visit this place if you're near to Sunshine Coast. Thanks for watching.